Hi, in this video I will show you today how to make checkout page by using ShopBuilder Page Builder. For this to start, please make sure you have installed the ShopBuilder WooCommerce Page Builder for Elementor and then activate with the Elementor and WooCommerce plugin. Then go to the template builder, add new. Firstly, set your template settings with the template name as checkout page and then select your template type as checkout. Now turn on to enable set as active template and there you will get some pre-made layouts. I am selecting the blank one to show you from the scratch one. Firstly, select a column what you choose. I select column 2. Now drag login form in the interface and then billing form under it. In the second column, drag additional information, order notes, and then coupon form. Then drag order preview. Next, drag the checkout payment method. Now start customizing login form with inbox style. Customize the background color. With the link color, icon color and the icon size. Next is description style. You can customize its typography, alignment, text color. In the form, you can customize fields height, border type, and etc. There is button to customize the height, color, background color. Border type, border radius. With padding and margin, when you will customize its radius, then it will change its shape of padding and margin. Move to the customize style setting. There is title to make changes of typography. It allows you to customize line height, letter spacing, and etc. You can also adjust your alignment, title color, text stroke, text shadow, margin, padding here. Next, form label to set your label typography, label color, label required color. Then form fields to resize fields height. You can also change the text color as well as background color. Paste that copied color into the form label's label color and label required color. On the other hand, you can make all the colors same by copying once and paste it in all. And choose a comfortable color for the background color. Here in my customized interface, you are now watching to change and adjust my background color for each add-on, like login form and coupon form. For example, inbox style, set as background color, link color, border color, icon size. Also, you can edit coupon form with its fields height with fields cap. Now, edit order review visibility for showing title and the title with the constitution of font size, also the title color, title stroke and shadow. Then go for review table. Get the customization of border type label color, background color, body text color with the table footers label color. Now customize the checkout payment method add-on. Payment method of its label color, label typography. And edit button for resizing heights and background color. At the end of everything, click update to save. This is how your customized checkout page look alike by using ShopBuilder plugin. Thank you for watching.